Hello from Istanbul. Could you introduce yourself?
Hi, good day from Holland, from Breda in this case. I'm Brian Vermeer. I'm a developer advocate for Snyk. And yes, I will be talking at the Java Day Istanbul. Will be my first time there. So,
Okay. Let's talk about your session. What do you want to say to the participants about your session?
my session is about functional programming in Java. I mean, I have a background in functional programming back at university where I worked, say, for 4 years completely with Haskell, so pure functional programming, and transferred back into the Java world. And I want to take these things I've learned from there back to the Java developers. And what I have seen in the last couple of years as being an engineer all over the Netherlands for different companies is that people try to grasp the idea of functional programming and put that in Java, for instance, the Stream API and using higher order functions and compiling lambdas, but do not have a real clue how to work with that. And you see a couple of mistakes recurring over and over again. And these mistakes I want to talk about. So for some people, it can be quite obvious because they're already knowledgeable enough to see that these mistakes are quite obvious and you can fix them quite easily. But still, if you see in the major enterprise software development groups that these actually some of them are very old mistakes will be made over and over again, and people tend to hate lambdas and functional programming for it, but it's actually just the way you have to use it and what's the intention of the code. So that will be actually my session about, and I will show you around 10 of the common mistakes. Actually will be, I think, a bit more secretly, but I squeezed them into 10 of the most common mistakes I've seen in functional programming when you try to do that in Java. So that's basically what my session is about.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Awesome.
We are excited to see you in Java Day Istanbul.
I'm very excited to come to Istanbul. It will be my first time in Istanbul, so I'm anxious to be there.